Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical DIY project. Building your very own emergency power bank, powered by just a single AA battery. This little gadget can be a lifesaver when your phone's battery is critically low. And you're in a pinch. So, let's get started. First things first, what you'll need. Gather these components: a single AA battery holder, a small voltage booster circuit. These are readily available online. Search for USB boost converter or 5 volts boost module. A USB port, preferably a female USB-A type. A small enclosure or casing to house everything. Some thin wires for connecting the components. Solder and a soldering iron. And any necessary tools like a wire stripper and a hot glue gun. Safety glasses are also highly recommended. Alright, now for the fun part, the build. Begin by preparing your components. Solder the wires to the positive and negative terminals of the AA battery holder. Next, identify the input in and input in terminals. On the voltage booster circuit, solder the positive wire from the battery holder to the in terminal of the booster circuit. Then, solder the negative wire from the battery holder to the in terminal. Double check your connections to ensure you've matched the polarities correctly. Reversing them could damage the circuit. Now, let's prepare the USB port. The USB port typically has 4 connections. 2 for power, positive and negative, usually marked, and 2 for data. We'll be using only the power connections for this project. Solder wires to the positive and negative terminals of the USB port. On the voltage booster circuit, locate the output out and output out terminals. Solder the positive wire from the USB port to the out terminal of the booster circuit and the negative wire from the USB port to the out terminal. Again, make sure your polarities are correct. Once all the soldering is complete, it's time to assemble everything into the casing. Carefully arrange the components inside the enclosure. You can use hot glue to secure the battery holder, the voltage booster circuit, and the USB port. Make sure everything is well positioned and doesn't touch any other components unnecessarily. Double check that all solder joints are secure and that no bare wires are exposed, which could cause a short circuit. If your casing has a lid, make sure to close it properly. Now, for the moment of truth. Insert a fresh AA battery into the battery holder. Connect your smartphone to the USB port using a standard USB charging cable. You should see your phone start charging. Keep in mind that this is an emergency power bank, so don't expect it to fully charge your phone. However, it should give you enough power for a few crucial minutes to make a call, send a text, or get directions. This small power bank is designed for emergency situations only. The amount of power provided depends on the battery capacity of the AA battery. It is a perfect solution when you're caught short and desperately need a bit of juice. It's a handy item to have in your car, backpack, or emergency kit. And there you have it, a simple and effective emergency power bank you can build yourself. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the battery when not in use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more cool DIY projects. See you in the next video.